I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Webull. First, you'll need to open a Webull brokerage account and complete the identity verification process. Once your account is approved, link your bank account to fund it. Remember to enable crypto trading in your account settings before you can start buying digital assets. This initial setup is quick and straightforward. After setting up your account, the next step is to fund it. Link your preferred bank account securely within the Webull app. Then, initiate a transfer of funds to your Webull brokerage account. It's important to note that funds may take a few business days to settle before they are available for crypto trading. Always check your available buying power. Now that your account is funded, you're ready to place an order. Navigate to the crypto trading section within the Webull app and select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. You can choose between a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the amount you want to buy and confirm your trade. Once you've bought crypto, it's wise to monitor your portfolio regularly. Webull allows you to track performance and set price alerts for any significant changes. Remember to understand the potential tax implications of your crypto investments. Always prioritize security best practices, like using strong passwords and two-factor authentication, to protect your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.